What up, y'all? It's your boy Chef Ken here, and I'd like to welcome y'all back to another episode of Cooking with the Homies. Now, I had plans to make a chicken Big Mac today, but I'm seeing everybody make that, so I'm gonna make something different. So I'm gonna make a lobster Big Mac. Now, some might say, man, that's just a fish fillet. You right, could be, but we're gonna do it the Big Mac style. All right, so we're gonna get started with these lobster tails. I've already defrosted them. Whew. This is an 8-ounce lobster tail. Bam. Bam. So we're just gonna chop this up. All right, so the biggest thing, you wanna make sure you have a really sharp knife. You wanna chop this thing up really good. Basically doing this similar to how we do our shrimp patties at the restaurant. And the key is really having a really good and sharp knife so you can get that thing chopped up and diced up really good. Make sure you save those lobster tail shells so you can make you a stock or something later on. Now that we got that all mashed up, go ahead and put that in our deli cup. All right, so we want to take our food shaper and we want to go ahead and put some of that All right, so now that we got the patties formed, we're gonna throw this in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so. We just wanna make sure that the meat gets nice and solid so that way when we go to dredge it, it won't fall apart. All right, so while we're waiting on those patties to get solid, we're gonna go ahead and start this dredge. We're gonna do a dry batter and a wet batter. All right, let's get this dry batter going. First, we're gonna start with all-purpose flour. Gonna do about a cup of this. Next, we're gonna start with cornstarch, salt, about a teaspoon of that, onion powder, black pepper, then our Cajun seasoning. Now we're just gonna whisk all of that together. Get that mixed in really good. Bam. All right, let's get our wet batter going. Flour, cornstarch, salt, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, paprika. And the key to this is cold water. Just want to gradually add that and whisk in your mixture. You want to make sure that that water is cold. Kind of like a pancake mix, but still a little loose. You don't want it too watery. So that's why you want to gradually add your water in. Now that our patties are nice and solid, we first gonna drop it in the dry batter. I heated my grease up to about 315 degrees. Then we're gonna drop it in our wet mix. Always use the other hand for your wet mix. Special Cajun sauce. It's kind of like a tartar sauce spread. Since this is lobster, I just went ahead and went with a tartar sauce. Add our lettuce. Add our patty. 2 pickles. Add our bun. More of that tartar sauce aioli. Spread that thing all around. Make sure you get generous love. More lettuce. Add our second patty. More of that sauce. Gonna add 2 more pickles. Then we're gonna finish that last bun with some more sauce spread. And bam. Damn. Now that is King Big Mac. All right, so I'm not even about to act like this is normal. This is not normal. This is big as hell, man. Look at that. That's crazy. There's no way I'm gonna be able to eat all this, man. No human possible way. But as I promised to y'all, I gotta see what this thing do. God. Oh my God. Man, listen, you gotta be kidding me. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That is simply amazing. I don't know if somewhere in the McDonald's world that this exists, but if it don't, you owe me. Thank me later. I lied when I said I can't finish this whole thing. I can't finish this whole thing. I'm not, but I can. This is amazing, my boy. It's your boy, Chef Ken, man. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I love y'all. Good night. And it's midday. I don't even think it's 2 o'clock. I'm out, y'all.